Namaste to all. This is Sabeshna Maji. I am going to handle ICT for grade 8. How are you students? I hope all are fine. Be safe in home and take care of your health. Today we are going to see about revision of grade 7. In this chapter we are going to recall in previous year what are topics you have learned. Today we are going to see about inside computers, hardware and operating system. In previous year this topic and all we have discussed. First one is, what is computer? Usually I will ask this question. What is meant by computer? Computer is an electronic device. It is used to perform millions of instructions per second. It is used to store the data. Usually computers are made up of electronic parts are called computer or called components. What are the parts of computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer, CPU and UPS. These are parts of computer. Each part has specific function. And then we are going to see about input device and output device. Input device means by using input device we can able to give instruction to the computer. Based on the instruction the CPU will perform the action. The examples of input device are keyboard, mouse. And next one is about the output device. Output device means by using output device we can able to take the output. We can able to see the output. For example, monitor is used to display the output. Students, you can able to see the image here. In this image, the parts of computers are there. First one is monitor. Monitor is an output device. Why means it is used to display the output screen. So it is called as output device. And next one is keyboard. Keyboard, it contains, you can able to see here, it contains collection of keys. By using the keys, the user can able to type the letters or sentence or symbols or characters. By using this, the user can able to give instruction to the CPU. Based on the instruction, the CPU will perform the action. And next one is mouse. Mouse has 3 buttons. Left side, left click, that means left click, and right side means right click, and center button, that is called as scroll button. So it has 3 buttons. By using these 3 buttons, the user can able to give instruction to the computer. So this both are called as input device. Keyboard and mouse, this both are called as input device. And next one is CPU. CPU means it is called as processing device. It is used to process the operation. And next one is UPS. UPS means uninterrupted power supply. By using this, it is used to give power to the computer. And next one is scanner. Scanner is an input device. It is used to scan the documents and scanned copies can be copied inside the computer. So it is also called as input device. And next one is printer. Printer is an output device. By using the printer, we can able to take the hard copy. And next one is pen drive. Pen drive is an storage device. Using the pen drive, we can able to store the datas. And next one is speaker. Speaker is also an output device. By using the speaker, we can able to hear the sounds. And CPU is also called as brain of computer. All the processing operation will happen here. We'll move on to the next image. Inside CPU. These are the main 9 parts of computer. The first one is processor. Processor is used to perform the operation in fraction of seconds. It is also called as brain of computer. And next one is about the main memory. You can able to see here. Main memory means RAM. It is used to store the data and instruction that are currently being processed by computer's CPU. It is also called as temporary memory. And next one is hard disk. Hard disk is used to store the data, but it is a secondary memory. We can able to store lots of data in hard disk. Based on the memory, we can able to store many datas. And next one is keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse both are input device. It is used to give instruction to the computer. And next one is power supply. Power supply is used to give power to the CPU. And next one is motherboard. Motherboard is the computer's main circuit board. It connects directly or indirectly to all the parts of the computer. And last one is BIOS. BIOS means basic input output screen. Sorry students, BIOS means basic input output system. It is the first software that runs on the computer when the power is switched on. These are the parts of computer hardware. You can able to see clearly here. This is called as CPU. Inside the CPU, these parts are there. Power supply, DVD ROM, main board, that means motherboard, CPU. CPU means processor, CPU fan. Next one is RAM. This is VGA card, sound card, hard disk and reader. This basic parts of computer hardware: speaker, keyboard, mouse and monitor. And next one, what does mean 2.66 gigahertz? Giga means billion and mega means billion. Giga means billion and mega means million. Hertz means it is used to measure the processor speed. By using this, we can able to measure the processor speed. That's all about today's class. Today we seen about inside computers, hardware and operating system. Today we seen parts of the computer: CPU, monitor, keyboard, speaker, mouse, printer and UPS. And then we seen about input device and output device. And then inside CPU parts we seen. In tomorrow's class, we will see about RAM and ROM. Thank you, students.